Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 21 and 16 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 6, 7, and 1 in exact order. Sa 4D Lotto, ang winning numbers ay 9, 8, 5, and 8 in exact order na may guaranteed prize of 10,000 pesos. Sa Mega Lotto 645, ang winning numbers ay 30, 17, 36, 16, 25, and 39 in any order with a jackpot prize of 23,408,778 pesos and 40 centavos. At sa Grand Lotto 655 draw, ang winning numbers ay 8, 50, 44, 40, 7, and 13 in any order with a jackpot prize of 261,596,320 pesos and 80 centavos. At abangan natin bukas ang Lotto 658 draw na may estimated jackpot of 130 million. Maraming salamat. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.